Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, my name is Lucky Asemota. Happy New Year to you guys. Happy New Year. I'm really glad that we made it to the year 2025, and I know that by God's grace and His mercy, 2025 is going to be a glorious year. Okay, so I have something for us today. I have a PSD testified that I will be giving you guys. Is for free. So this is it. You can use it for any type of design you want to do. Okay, it's for free. It is just a new year gift. I know it's little. Please make sure you keep your eyes on this channel. A lot of things. I will be uploading a lot of videos very soon. Okay, there are things I will be giving out for free. Okay, all I need from you guys is to like my video, share, comment, and another thing, if there's anything you need, just make sure you drop it at the comment section. If there's any software or anything at all, drop it at the comment section. I will try my possible best to make sure I respond to you. Okay, thank you so much. So this is it. It is very easy to edit. You can just click this where it is written place your test effect. Double click it, then it will take you to this place. Double click it, then you can change the text to your text. Let me sorry. So in case you are seeing anything like this, all you have to do is to go to this place, text character here, set it at auto. Okay, and change the font to your taste. Change the font to your taste. Change the font to your taste. Okay, then press Ctrl S on your keyboard to save. That's the shortcut. Or you can come to File and click Save. Okay, now let's see what we have here. All right, as you can see, it's already updated. So it's very free and it's very easy to edit. You can use it for any kind of design. So all right, that's for all today. As I said earlier, make sure you keep your eye on this